Hi everybody. Today I was planning on doing a leftover pork belly, cook it like a brisket, and I took it out of the freezer, looked fine, no big deal. Thawed it out, and this morning when I'm getting it ready to do this video, I didn't realize that I had cut the remaining pork belly into long strips and thick. So we're going to be doing pork belly strips like a brisket and see if it can turn out the same way as I had hoped if I had a full pork belly to do. Either way, it's going to be good. And I'm going to bring this pork belly out here. We're going to get seasoned up and we're going to do it and pretend that it is a full pork belly. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's my cut up pork belly that I thought was whole. But I guess it's not going to be so bad because I can get seasoning on all the sides instead of just on one big mass. I can actually get in between them. And we're going to start off with my SPG Plus. And then we're going to come in after that with the famous butt rub. All right, let's get the seasoning this meat. Then make some good bacon. Look at that. Even though this is not what I wanted to do, I'm sure it's going to turn out just fine. Sometimes you just got to improvise because not everything works out the way you want. We're going to make it happen. Get the bottoms. Or I should say get the ends. And I'm not even going to cut that little flapper off. I'm just going to let things cook as they are. All right, now the butt rub. All right, I think I'm going to cook these fat side up. No particular reason. I just want to try it that way the first time, see what happens. All right, we're going to get them tightly packed on the smoker. So let me get that smoker heated up and I'll bring it back. All right, I got a pan of water in there for some moisture. Let's get these on. Now we're going to get them tightly packed together as much as we can. All right, we're going to let these go for an hour. I'll come back and check on them. And until then, I will see you later. All right, it's been 1 hour. Let's give them a temp. And they're looking all about 100 to 106 range. All right, we're going to crank the heat up to 300 degrees. We'll come back in a couple hours. Okay, it's been 2 hours since we cranked this up to 300. Let's see what kind of temps we're getting. We may not even have to wrap these. Let's see what they're temping at. That one's about 185. That one's 197, 191. They are probing a little soft here. Few little tough spots, but not so bad so far. All right, we're going to leave these on. Check them back in about another 30 minutes. And I'm going to add some sausage on the smoker for the girlfriend, because that's what she wants. And I'll bring you back in about another half an hour. All right, we're back, and this pork belly is well over 200 degrees. I'm going to pull it. We're going to let it rest, and we're going to make some type of slider out of it. But first, I will definitely be testing out the taste by itself. All right, let's get this pork belly off. All right, let's get these off. And there you have it. Look at that pork belly. All right, I'm going to let these rest, and then I'll bring you back, and we're going to make a sandwich out of it. All right, the pork belly's been sitting. We're going to get it sliced up. I'm going to try a piece just by itself, and I'm going to make some barbecue sliders out of it. All right, I'm going to bring you right over there, and that's where we're going to make it happen. All right, I think I'm going to slice this piece up. I am going to actually slice it in half, because I got to be able to fit them on those buns. All right, let's get us a slice cut. Oh, you can see how freaking tender it is. Look at that. I know it's a thin piece, but my gosh. Good amount of crust on there. All right, let's get some more sliced up for these sliders here. Oh, you can see how juicy that is. All right, let's give this smoked pork belly a try. See how it turned out. Oh, yeah. Nice crust of the seasoning. Gives you that little bit of a crunch. This is juicy. Mm. I don't know why I haven't done this before. I'm definitely going to be doing this again. Now let's try a little bit thicker piece. Oh my gosh. Mm. All right, let's get to making these sliders. We got nothing but the pork belly. I got some pickles to add to the top. And I have a little bottle of my original barbecue sauce. Link will be down in the description if you want to get your hands on any of my products. All right, let's get to building these. This one needs a little bit more love. Okay, I think we're evened out. Get the pickles on there. I only need one. These are pretty big pickles for such a little sandwich. All right, now for the barbecue sauce. All right, let's put the tops on them. And there you have it. Some pork belly sliders. Let's get a taste of one of these. All right, everybody, let's give this a try. Doesn't that look good? All right. Let's see if we made something out of nothing today. Oh, look, it's already dripping. All right. Cheers, everybody. All right. Even though today didn't go as planned as I wanted, we still made something out of nothing. And these were freaking fabulously delicious. Pork belly turned out great, even though it wasn't one whole piece. It was still juicy. The fat was rendered perfectly. Got a little bit of a smoke ring on there. I couldn't have been happier. I'm definitely going to be doing this again, but doing it different ways. Everybody, thank you for watching. Please consider hitting the subscribe button down below if you're new here. And as always, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. Take care, everybody, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.